Are you one of those electricians who coil their cables in the distribution board? It is not a good practice to coil our cables in the distribution board. It increases the temperature inside the distribution board. In order to prevent rise in the temperature within the compartment of your distribution board, do not coil your cables in the distribution board. Though it is not good to make the cables in the distribution board to be too short. Why is it not good? The reason why it is not good is that there is always what you call feature maintenance. For the purpose of feature maintenance, cables in your distribution board should be long enough such that in the future, if you need to cut off part of it, probably it is burnt, or you need to cut it off and peel it for termination once again, it makes the cable to be long enough for this maintenance purpose. And yet, do not, because the cables in the distribution board for each final subcircuit is long, make it into coils. Do not coil your cable in the distribution board. Rather, try and arrange your cables. Bunch all the earth cables together with your cable ties and arrange it properly. Terminate them one by one. Likewise, the neutral cables too. Arrange them one by one, place them over each other and use your cable tie to bunch them. Terminate them carefully and neatly into the neutral bar. Your live terminals, your live cables also, arrange them one by one, bunch them together carefully and neatly with your cable tie and terminate them one by one into the miniature circuit breakers. Do not coil your cables. Do not make your cable coils within the compartment of the distribution board. It increases the temperature within the compartment of the distribution board because when these cables are made into coils, forms inductors. And you know, electric field is going to set up around your inductors and its energy is also generated. So in a nutshell, do not coil your cables in the distribution board. When you still open some distribution board, you see some electricians that coil their cable. Do not coil your cables in the distribution board. Rather, arrange them sequentially. Bunch them together with your cable tie. Terminate them carefully and neatly into their respective terminals. Do not coil your cables in the distribution board. And until I come your way next time, I'm your one and only Ejina Oxford. I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, remain blessed.